Welcome everybody to my art room, Carol's art room. In today's video, I'm gonna do a bloom, a pinks, purple, and I'm adding some yellow. I don't think I've ever used yellow in with my colors, so I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna use a different color cell activator also. Come and see how it turns out. Hope it's good. Hi everyone. I'm just trying out some colors, so I'm going to do a little bloom on this tile. Welcome to my art room. Okay, so I'm going to use some pretty purples and pinks. And I'm going to try putting a little yellow in it and see how that works. Now one of my colors is opaque. I think it's this pink one. It's called, this is a Basics Rose Pink. Now I just mixed up a bunch of colors. Time to get some more water in my water bottles. All right, I'm going to put this down first. Still seems a bit thick. Got some water in a spray bottle. I'll just spray it in. That's better. All right, so now I've got some Nightfall pigment. I got Lavender Frost. I have a metallic purple. I have a, what is that? A magenta. This is a, oh no, this is PEBEO blue violet, I think. Violet blue. It's a pinky purpley color. I think I'll put this down. This is QUINACRIDONE magenta. So that's that and that. And now I think I'll put some purple, Lavender Frost. Now I'm going to use a pink cell activator, so I think I'm going to put dark color at the top. Let's try this PEBEO. Gotta figure out where to put the yellow. I don't know if I want yellow. I do and I don't. The yellow might go good if it's a swipe. I haven't even put any purple. I think I'll put this Nightfall down. Oh, I got the other end. Oh dear. I am creating such a mess today. I've done a couple of paintings already and it's getting messy. Oh, my paint is running off here. I don't think I might not use that metallic because it's almost the same color as this. Let's see. All right, now I got yellow. I don't know if I'm gonna like the yellow in here, but it's an experiment. I want to see what it'll look like. Oops. All right. Well, I don't know if I want to use this color. It's kind of a peachy color. I think I'll leave this one out. It's a coral. All right, let's try this pink Cell Activator. It's Amsterdam Persian Rose. Still feels a bit thick. I usually do about 3 to 1. I think I'll do 4 to 1. Australian Floetrol and paint. 1 part paint to 3 to 4 parts Floetrol. 3 works, 4 works. All right, let's try this. I'll use my mini blower. Wow, that's pretty. The yellow doesn't look too bad in there. I mean, flowers do have yellow, so pink and purple go with yellow. It's a lot of paint for that little tile. Okay, that's it. It's pretty much, there's a little bit there. I'll do one more spin. I'll go the other way. There. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow, I like it. I'm gonna do a swipe with these colors. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Just like it, really, really, really pretty. I don't use yellow very much, but today it worked good. And a pink cell activator. Yay! I love it. There, thanks for coming by. Hope you enjoyed this one. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below, let me know what you think. Ask me a question. Subscribe if you haven't already. There you go. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. You can see that purple shine. Look at that. I think that was the this little piggy in there. It's very pretty. Turned out really good. I like this one. Touches of yellow here and there. Awesome. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.